I just seem to find more and more projects to do in this backyard this summer. So there's a gutter right up above our deck that is dripping right where the seams hit each other. And that in and of itself is an issue, which I will get to in a minute. But my bigger question is, why is there standing water in that gutter for hours after it stops raining? So I took my cell phone and I put it on a tripod, and I just sort of held the tripod up high enough to where I could see, and clearly there is a big fat clog right there in the corner where this downspout comes down. So then the question is, how the hell do we get to that? See, now it's coming down. Good job. Wave. Bye.
Well, the reason it's running, it's standing here is because that thing, beam or whatever it is,
support.
That support beam's broken off from the other side.
Oh, is it?
So it tilts down.
Yeah. Now, there's a reason why we're not just calling a gutter company or a roofing company to come out and fix this problem, because clearly there are some issues going on with our gutters. But the reason is because in the next few years, we're going to have to get our roof redone anyway, and we'll get all of the gutters worked on at that time. So for now, we really are just looking for a temporary solution to get us through that short time period before we get the roof redone. So in this case, we're going to use this Flex Seal spray. I'm not totally sure that this is going to work as a temporary solution, but it's worth giving it a shot. You can kind of see how crusty it is in there. Ugh. As soon as I can get it clean enough and dry enough, I'll be spraying some Flex Seal in there. Why do I get myself into these things? Seriously. Well, we didn't get a full 24 hours before it started raining, so I don't know what's going to happen up here, but we'll just have to wait and see. All right, it's been several days. We've had a couple of really good rains, and this has not leaked at all, so fingers crossed that it'll hold up for a while. If you've ever used Flex Seal or any other product similar to that for this purpose, comment it below and let me know how long it lasted.
You know, you can take a hook and hook that on that thing.
Let me just do this. It's fine.
It's easier that way. You can get higher.
Okay. All right. That's a test. Let me do this. Okay. All right, babe. Love you.